Bellagio. It's gonna be a big one. Let's go. All right, so the Bellagio does a seasonal garden. They're about to do their winter one, but this is the end of the fall. So we'll do a quick show of this. We're gonna spend our whole lot of time in here. We've got a lot to cover. Not sure how they did it, but it smells very fall-like, very fresh. When you can smell it, very, very nice. And when you're in Vegas, you may just have to be asked to dig a random portrait. Real giant pumpkin, 795 pounds.
That is a massive pumpkin.
795 pounds. Am I an angel? I'm smiling, you can't see it. This is made up entirely of live roses. No wonder it smells good. Here she is again, volunteering for another photo. I feel like you could make a lot of money just walking around offering to take people's photos, but how would you ask? I feel like if you had like a little thing on it that says tips welcome, would be the way to do it.
This is cool.
2 people, 1 baby, rotating door. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Behind me is the world famous Bellagio fountains. They're not running right now. You might be able to see. You can't see it. There's a barge out there that's working on it. It's a Tuesday afternoon, so it makes sense that it's not running right now. All right, so we're directly in front of the casino entrance. This is where the valet, Uber, Lyft, taxi, everybody drops off. So if you're coming in from the airport, that's where you'll come. And then directly behind me is that view you saw earlier of the Las Vegas Strip. It goes all the way around their beautiful fountain, which isn't running right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head in there. Then we're gonna go this way, which isn't a whole lot because that's the parking garage and convention over there. Is a convention going on. We're gonna go this way, the casino, and then we're gonna work our way up towards this tower, which is the hotel. Something I thought was funny, these look like they have beards from all the water going through them. Here she is again, offering to take a picture.
Not bad, but
All right, we'll make our way into the very main entrance. This is the check-in for the hotels. In case you need something expensive, there's Valentino's. I don't even know what it is. It looks pricey. Anyways, this is where you're gonna check in. Beautiful mosaic that you saw earlier.
your shoe.
It is.
Your shoe.
So, in filming, we've lost the other shoe to this child. He has one shoe. They were both on. Great. So now we're gonna backtrack around where we just were and try and find his shoe. So, children, Vegas, fun. Stand by. Did not find the shoe, we're giving up on it. Let's continue. So some of the things that get lost when you come to one of these casinos, especially these nicer ones, it's just the little details, which I like to show because they put a lot of effort into their little details, but you kind of get blown away by all the big stuff. Example being like the tile on the floor, actually very intricate. All right, so we're inside now. Here's the mosaic, your check-in desk. We're gonna start by going this way towards the casino, past the live pianist at Peter Sullivan. So this section is like most casinos, and they have gambling machines. We're gonna work our way through this part and see what's next. Mid-casino, you have your walk-up bar, a lounge, the Baccarat bar is actually what that's called, not the lounge. Alright, so we've reached the end of the hallway. That's where we came in down there. We're gonna go towards the convention center, buffet, restroom, gallery of fine art. Or you can go this way towards the cashier, a Starbucks. You know how I feel about those. As well as the Bellagio shops in Jasmine. We'll go there next. So we're gonna go this way. We got Club Privy. More gambling. Back over there is the buffet. We'll have to see if that's open. A lot of places don't have their buffets open, so let's check that out. Up ahead you have your guest elevators, which you have to have a key to get into. But we're gonna go this way first to see if the buffet is open. I can see already the buffet is open at the Bellagio, so that's good to know, because there's a lot of station casinos where it's not. So yeah, just so you know, it's open. We have our Circus du Soleil, whatever store. They are here in concert, or in residency, whatever you want to call it, at the Bellagio. Alright, so this is the O Theater. This is where the Circus Soleil performs. The O Theater is the art of Richard McDonald. Here we go, there. Fine art gallery. I assume you can buy the art. Alright, well if you're into fine art, sorry, I can spend a lot of time in here. Not my jam, but yeah, you can buy the art. It's really expensive, but yeah. Right, if you're following along in your interactive map, the buffet is back behind us. We're headed this way, which is where that Starbucks was. You know, I love finding all the Starbucks. We have the poker tables, more gaming. There's a snack bar ahead, sports bar lounge. All right. So this is the north entrance, north of where we entered. We're about to go into a very expensive area, and I don't feel dressed. Alright, if you're here to spend some money, we have Harry Winston. These are kind of necklaces where, yes, the price, probably can't afford it.
Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. Wow. We have Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Tiffany and Company. Yeah, Louis Vuitton and Chanel. We have Tiffany and Company. I'm gonna butcher that name. I'm not even gonna say it. You know it. You know it. Yeah. Moving further along, we have Dior. Spago? Spago. Gucci. Another Louis Vuitton. So this is Spago. This is a very fancy restaurant. Looking out right over the fountains. Nice. Okay, so behind me is all the expensive shops. We got Yellowtail, a Japanese restaurant and lounge. We're gonna continue working our way around. We are still looking for Starbucks. The Mayfair Supper Club. This place looks pretty neat. Take a look inside.
It is very,
very cool.
roaring 20s.
Very roaring 20s. Very roaring 20s. Sorry. Alright, they have Jasmine's Cantonese cuisine. Very nice. You can't tell already, everything at the Bellagio is about being elegant. Nice. Fancy. Alright, we gave up on the quest for Starbucks. I'm sure we'll run into another one. So before we came up, we went this way towards the buffet. Now we're gonna go this way towards the room elevators as well as more shops and the rest of the hotel. So here is some of the guest elevators, 24-hour business center. You do have to have your room key presented to go up. Here is Tuto, a shop. It's got Raiders and stuff in it. We got Optica, glasses. We're gonna go this way towards this. That looks cool. Oh, there's a Cafe Gelato, but they have coffee. So we're in Cafe Gelato. Look at all these pastries, salads, sandwiches, croissants, fruit plate, gelato, obviously. Nice. Let's try some. Alright, so we got cheese Danish 1, 2. Oh, okay, cool. I guess you're taking my soda. 2 sodas, which you get free refills, and it's $25. Alright, so if you don't know, or if you do know, I'm telling you again, if it's not busy and there's not like a ton of people at the table, the dealers will teach you how to play the game. So if you don't know how to play whichever game it is you want to play, and there's not a bunch of people, you just walk up and ask them, and they will tell you and show you how to play. That's everywhere, all the casinos. Alright, we are back up front. Here's the check-in counter. There's the display for the seasons, which will be changing soon. We're gonna go this way and around. Alright, so we got Omega with James Bond, Daniel Craig. We got the salon and spa and fitness center in Williamon. For guests staying here. Deanie's Home Store. It's got the full Christmas experience going on right now. I love it. Gardini's. Yeah, that's. This is all chocolate coming down. Coming down, coming down, coming down. Again, this is a gigantic chocolate fountain. In fact, the world's largest chocolate fountain. Better view of the world's largest chocolate fountain. It starts way up there. This part here is not a mirror, it goes that high. Alright, so we are walking towards the convention center, if you can't tell from all the people with the convention badges. Coming up on Harvest Restaurant, quick service restaurant. Alright, so coming down this way we have Spa Tower Guest, Convention Center, City Center Tram, and Vidara Hotel. Spa Tower being the name of the tower, not that a tower full of spas. Or maybe there's spas in each one, I don't know. Another guest elevator to the Spa Towers. Again, you have to have your room key, wedding chapel, escalators to Vidara, and down there is the other end of the convention. And there's escalators to the tram which goes to Vidara, restrooms, and this is the end. Alright, we've reached the end. I appreciate you. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow. That has been a complete tour of the Bellagio Hotel. Bellagio, did I say Bellagio? Bellagio Hotel. We will see you soon.